Yo, we're going to Hawaii. Genesis is able to sleep because I got 10 minutes of sleep. Yeah, this is her.
Allowing you free and easy access to
Well, I get to sleep on the flight.
Your personal
Here's Mom.
lightweight electronic devices.
Well, the back of
Maybe
Mom.
used throughout our flight. Lightweight devices.
Jenna got the window seat.
Back or garment pocket or help.
Just ate here, cute little place. How do you say it, Mom? Kapara? Alright, what else?
Let's go!
Camera without the case, but whatever. Okay, this is Haena Beach, something like that. Check it out. What'd you find, Mama?
Fresh mint, fresh basil.
Do you hear the birds? All right, we're starting the Kalalau trail.
We're all happy so far.
Happy so far. We'll see you in a couple minutes. All right, we just finished the Kalalau trail and we went, oh, we'll take a picture in a minute, Mom. So, what time? Mom's ready for the picture, gosh. How long did that take us? What time is it now?
I don't know.
A couple hours. We went 2 miles into the beach. Did not feel like walking to the waterfall. Look at our shoes.
Not
Are
too
nice,
bad.
nice and dirty. Oh, there they are. Nice and dirty. Alright, Smith's Tropical Paradise. Jenna looking gorgeous. Mama looking gorgeous. Kayla, I'll say I'm looking gorgeous. Since I keep messing up the filming. Oh, look at Mom on the bridge. Okay, this is pre-luau at Smith's Luau.
Yes.
We're about to go to the emu pig roasting. We're trying to get some pictures, but we're a little bit, being a little bit girls, you know how it is.
The Hawaiians perfected. Either to cover it so the dirt or sand.
Eating dinner. They made me a special meal. Jenna thinks this is really funny. They made me fish.
Now you're eating the food out of the luau. Your left hand is a plate. Okay, now fingers on your right is a spoon. Good. Now once you get down to the ocean, it gets caught in the net. We're going to pull your nets out of the ocean. So we're going to...
We are going home.
Let's go.
My hair is crazy, but this place is so pretty. I love it. I love it. Jenna's laughing at me filming. You love it.
I